So I have my piano recital today, and we're making treats. And the first recipe that we will be making is profiterole puffs. You need a stick of butter, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a cup and a half of water. Then you bring that to a boil. Surprisingly, it's kind of weird. All you do is just pour the flour in, and then you just stir. You just keep going until it's like almost like Play-Doh. It kind of looks like mashed potatoes. You need to put 6 eggs in there, and when you do this, make sure you shut off the heat before you do it because you don't want the cooked eggs. First, we preheated the oven to 375. Next step is to take a level scoop, just drop it in the muffin. Okay, these. Now we'll go into the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. And I usually like to put them in for like 21 minutes, but it's like right in the middle end. Okay, now we are making the filling. We waited for the cream puffs to cool down. We put the bowl and these in the freezer, and put the whipped cream in the bowl, a whole carton, and then just a little bit of vanilla. It calls for a half a cup of powdered sugar, but my mom usually rounds down whenever we make a recipe with sugar in it because she doesn't like too much sugar. All right, so and then you turn this on. You just stick it on the side, and you wrap your hand around it. You can kind of feel it blowing up. Do you just see that? Final step. Drizzle the chocolate over. And when you get them done, you can put them in the fridge or you can freeze them for later. To me, I think this technique works better. You're gonna see the whipped cream exploding.